coming up, we'll be on location at the Gentle Wellness Center in Fairfax, Virginia, discussing the latest advances in integrative functional medicine and how they can help improve your health and wellness and improve the quality of your life with one of this area's top doctors, Dr. Annie Rasalam. Welcome, Dr. Rasalam, to the Top Doctors Interviews. It's a pleasure to have you on our program.
Thank you for having me.
All right, there's been so many advances in health and wellness, and here at the Gentle Wellness Center in Fairfax, Virginia, you've got a really great facility. It's a wellness center, and I wanted to begin by asking you if you can explain what a wellness center is.
Sure. A wellness center is a place where we combine the best of conventional medicine along with the best of alternative medicine, but all under one roof. In this way, we're able to take care of a person's mental health, physical health, and also their aesthetic goals. And people appreciate that we're a one-stop shop for all of these things.
So you offer a holistic approach which really addresses all aspects of the patient, whether it's the mental, the physical, the aesthetic, or any aspect.
That's right, that we do. And I think that really sets us apart. People are interested in things beyond the conventional. What makes us unique is that we take that into consideration, that people don't have to go to 3 or 4 different places or searching for providers when we're able to integrate, why it's called integrative medicine, we're able to integrate all of these different modalities of treatment, Eastern and Western, or allopathic, naturopathic, into one place and create a therapeutic approach for any given individual based on your needs.
So that's a huge benefit for patients because it's really a holistic approach that addresses any need for the patient, whether it's their mental, their physical, their aesthetic, or anything really.
Absolutely. So because we have all of these providers under one roof, a hypnotherapist to care for your mental health, a naturopath if you're interested in nutrition and add supplements to help with your health concerns, or our acupuncturist who treats everything from fatigue to migraines to chronic pain. So we integrate that along with conventional medicine and offer a patient everything that they're looking for under one roof. You would not have to go searching for various providers all over town. We would sit with you and have a team-based approach for your care. And that makes us an integrative center, a wellness center, and it really sets us apart.
So you mentioned a naturopathic doctor, an acupuncturist. What other providers do you have here at your facility?
So as an integrative medicine center, we have a chiropractor, we have a hypnotherapist, we also have massage therapy as well. Then there's myself, of course, as the medical director. I have an internal medicine background and practiced primary care for a few years before becoming the medical director of Gentle Wellness Center. So we have the medical aspect of the care that we offer, but then we also have the aesthetic side, and that includes anti-aging therapies, body contouring, cellulite therapy, even hair restoration. And we also do hormone replacement therapy too. Weight management program that incorporates all of the different providers. And so whether you're looking to improve wrinkles on your face or treat cellulite on your thigh, we will combine our different modalities to help you achieve your goals. And I think that gives a patient a lot of satisfaction and joy when they come here to know that we do a whole body and a whole person approach to their care.
What are some of the most common types of health problems that you address here at the Gentle Wellness Center?
Sure. So in addition to all the same problems that you would go to your primary care for, we also focus on cancer care, anti-aging, stress, fatigue, sleep problems, chronic pain, weight management. So because of our approach, we're able to put this plan together for a patient to achieve the best outcomes.
So, Dr. Rasalam, what are some of the key factors that you consider when you're meeting with a patient when formulating a treatment plan for them?
When a person comes in, the thing that really allows us to figure out what would be best for them is that we really take the time with a person. And that's something that we can afford to do here as opposed to in a conventional doctor's office. I used to do primary care, and the thing that would be so limiting is that we would only have 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes for any given patient. But here we can really sit and talk and learn about you as an individual, what your story is, what your concerns are, where you come from, what your goals are for your health. And then based on that, take all of that into consideration and then come up with a plan that incorporates all of our different therapies to help you achieve those goals that you have. And if there's something else that you want to add to it, we can always customize things. Or as time goes on, we can add new things and tailor it as your health changes and as goals are achieved. We can maintain things too and prevent new ailments from happening down the road. So I think this allows us to invest in you as a person, as a patient, and that rapport is built over time between a patient and us as your provider. I think that is something that I really enjoy and that the patients really appreciate about us as Gentle Wellness Center.
That's wonderful. I think so many people can really relate to that. I personally can as well. We all know about going into a doctor's office, and it seems like you only see the doctor for a minute. I mean, they're in, they're out. You wait for an hour, and you hardly have any time. And we'd all love to just be able to have the time that you give for your patients here to sit down and really answer all the questions we have, because when we're not feeling well, there are so many questions. It's really important to be able to ask those questions, to have the time from the doctor.
Absolutely, yes. When we take the time to hear, really validate what you're saying to us, what your story is, then we can take that and learn about you and process that and put together a plan for you that's specific for you, as opposed to just handing over a prescription and walking out the door. That's not how we operate here. It's not, we're not in a rush. There's no pressure to be done quickly. We really do take our time, and I think that is a very special part of what makes us Gentle Wellness Center.
Dr. Rasalam, you mentioned earlier that you also offer anti-aging services, and that's really something that's catching on. It's a really powerful and effective way to, stay younger looking, to feel better. Can you tell us about some of the treatment options that you have available within that specialty?
Sure. Some of the things that we offer in regards to anti-aging are certain IV therapies to include antioxidants, as well as a nutritional approach to aging. And our naturopath assists with that, as well as hormone replacement therapy too, for men and women. As a person gets older, if they're less energetic, more tired, having sleep disturbances, or just gaining weight too. So it all falls under that category. And so our multifaceted approach helps with aging.
There are so many benefits from coming to a practice like yours. Can you kind of highlight some of the key points of what you feel are the patient benefits of coming to a wellness center as opposed to going to your conventional primary care practice?
The biggest benefit is that we offer the best of all worlds. We take care of everything that a traditional family practice, family medicine doctor would take care of. But then in addition, we take care of your mental health and your aesthetic goals too, and your preventative goals of anti-aging or weight management. And because of that, we have a team. We work all together for every patient. So it's not just that you're going to the doctor's office just to see one person. Here you have this integrated approach of myself, a naturopathic doctor, acupuncturist, a chiropractor, a hypnotherapist. Because of that, it really sets us apart, and it makes us special, and it makes us different.
Dr. Salam, it seems like it's really a patient-centric approach where you and the team really focus on that individual patient. You give them the time that's necessary to really understand what they're going through and to put together a plan that's really going to achieve the best outcomes for that patient as well.
Definitely. Because we are able to take our time and really listen to everything that a person has to say and learn their goals, it gives us that ability to dive in deeper. And we take a multifaceted approach, all of these providers together, and create a plan for you. So it is completely patient-centric, and you don't have to go to different places. You're here with us, and we all communicate together for you. You don't have to wait for your doctors, your providers to talk to one another. We are already here for your benefit.
Well, Dr. Rasalam, that was very informative. I want to thank you so much for being a guest today on the program. And that information can help so many people out there that are suffering different health issues, or want to look younger, or just want to get the shape that they've long wanted.
Yeah, that's our goal. That's our plan. We want to invest in our community. So come and meet us. We'll be happy to meet you too.
Well, thanks again. It was great having you on.
Thank you.